If you want to learn how to QT on X, formerly Twitter, you're in the right place. This is one of the easiest ways to share someone else's post while adding your own comment, opinion, or context. It's a great feature for replying publicly, boosting engagement, or adding value to a conversation without just reposting the tweet as is. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick social media guides. Let's jump right in. First, open X and find the tweet you want to quote. This can be any post on your timeline, in search results, or on someone's profile. Once you've found the tweet, look underneath it for the repost or retweet icon. This is the icon with two arrows forming a box. It's usually located right below the tweet, alongside the reply, like, and share icons. Now click that repost icon. A small drop-down menu will appear with a couple of options. From that menu, select Quote. This is the option that lets you add your own message while still attaching the original tweet underneath your post. That's what people usually mean when they say QT on X. After you click Quote, a compose box will pop up on your screen. Inside that box, you'll see the original tweet attached below, and above it, you'll have space to type your own text. This is where you can add your comment, your thoughts, a reaction, a summary, or even a question to start engagement. Take a moment to write your message in the compose box. You can keep it short and simple or make it more detailed depending on your goal. Once you're happy with what you've written, double check that the original tweet is still attached below, because that confirms you're quoting it and not posting a separate tweet. When everything looks good, click Post. Your quote tweet will go live immediately, and your followers will be able to see both your comment and the original tweet together. That's it. You've successfully QT'd a post on X. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. And if you want more X tips, Twitter tricks, and social media walkthroughs, make sure to stay tuned for the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.